Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today I'm going to do 6 eye looks. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm going to do one on each eye like I usually do, and they're going to be like fall related, so I'm going to try to do fall colors. What I've came up with what I think fall colors are, which is why I'm wearing this like orangey shirt. And since I did the little vlog video, I'm just gonna like explain what I'm using. I have all my palettes set up, so I'll just tell you like the names of the colors and like what palette I'm using. I'm not gonna like show you since I already did the vlog portion. So I have my palettes all set up. I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Heat, the Galaxy Chic BH Cosmetics palette, Morphe Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic. These are all kind of like dupes for each other. So you see this is the Naked Heat, the Crown Brushes, and the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. This is $15, this is $10, and this is like $49. So just letting you know. And then my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I'm going to be making some fun fall looks with these palettes, so hope you're excited. In the Dark Magic palette, I'm going to take the shade Poof, which is like a skin tone color, and I'm just going to fluff that all over both my lids just to have something down. I don't have an eyeshadow primer. So now I'm going to go in with this shade Shh, which is like a tannish color, and I'm going to put that in the crease. So now I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape and cut the crease. So now I'm going to take the Potion Olivey Green shade and put that where I cut the crease. I know my under eye looks really dark, but that's just because some of the fallout from the shadow, but I'll take a makeup wipe and wipe it off. But that's the look that we got going so far. And if you didn't want it to just be completely matte, there is a shimmery green in this palette called Trickery. And you could take a little bit of that and maybe put it in the center. So now I'm going to do more of like an orangey, reddish orangey look, whatever you want to say. That's like the typical like fall kind of colors. And I'm actually going to go in with my Naked Heat palette. I know I showed you the other two, but those are really good palettes. I just haven't used this one in a while, so I feel like I really want to use it. So I'm going to take the shade He Devil, and I'm going to put that in the crease. I'm going to take my finger into the shade Ember. It's not so pretty. And I'm going to put that on the center, connecting it to the other shades. And then I'm going to go over it with Scorched. Then take Lumbre and put that on the inner part. Take Low Blow, which is a tan brown, and put that in the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take Ounce again and highlight the brow bone. And just to be extra, I'm going to take the shade Lolly from the Ring the Alarm palette and put that in the lower lash line on the inner part. Take Bomb Ass, which is the red one, and put that on the outer part. There's so many other fun shades in all those red palettes. So if you guys want me to do like another tutorial with like any of these palettes or with like the colors that I'm using, or you would like to see another look with these colors, definitely comment that down below. So now I'm gonna wipe these off and I'll be right back. I decided to also add the Life's a Drag by Lunar Beauty palette into the mix because there's a few colors that I want to use in this palette. So I'm gonna do like a natural, probably not natural, brown look. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Cake Face, which is the white in the palette, and I'm just gonna put that all over both of my lids on both sides, just to have a base down. I don't have an eyeshadow primer on or anything. Now I'm going to mix Sickening and Hunty. Put that in the crease. I'm gonna build it up with Mug. Just keep deepening the crease. Go in with the shade Trade. And I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. And I'm gonna mix Sickening and Hunty, and I'm gonna put those in the lower lash line. So of course you could stop there, and if you wanted a little bit of shine, you could either use a shimmer in that palette, or if you want to stick with the brown vibe, I have this Mercury shade right here in my Galaxy Chic palette, and I'm just gonna get a little bit of that on my finger and put that right in the center. She cute. I tried as hard as I could to make it and keep it natural. I think I did pretty good. Now berries, so that would be like purples and plums and dark purple and reddish colors and reddish purple and things like that. So I'm going to be using a mixture of some of these colors up here, which are like purpley colors, and I'm gonna use some of the purples that are in like these 30 in my BH Cosmetics palette. So I'm gonna start off with the shade Prometheus in the Galaxy Chic palette, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. I'm gonna mix the shade Milky Way and Cosmic, and I'm gonna put those on the lid. And then I'm gonna go over them a little bit with Sun, which has like kind of a purpley tint to it, just right in the center. This was all I could really do, berry toned wise, so I hope you guys like this. So now I'm gonna take these off and move on to the next looks. So now for the last two looks, and I'm gonna be doing the most, not extravagant I would say, but the most interesting, I don't know what word to really, a stencil, so it should be interesting, but these are still fun looks. And I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. The NYX glitter primer. I also really like the Bitsy glitter glue. Either way, they're both good. I'm just gonna go in with the NYX one for now. I'm just gonna go in with a flat brush and I'm gonna squeeze it on there. Get a pretty good amount. Now I'm gonna take this darker yellowy shade from the Armed and Gorgeous palette, Morphe, Jaclyn Hill. And I'm gonna put that on the inner and outer part of the eye. Being careful not to touch the glitter. And then put a little bit of sickening in the lower lash line. Looks like it's just some leaves. And as you see, I've like cut a part out right here to where I could try to fit it around my eye. So, and I'm gonna put that on the first leaf. Go in with Secure. And I'm gonna do that on the top part of this leaf. And I'm gonna go in with Brush. And I'm gonna put that in the middle. Alert at the bottom. Go in with Snatched. Put that on the middle leaf. Then on the yellow one, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Top Secret, just because maybe it didn't change all the way to yellow yet. Maybe it's still a little green at the top here. This is the reveal for both of us, so hopefully it looks good. I'll let you guys see first. Okay, so she definitely needs a little bit of cleaning up, I see. Just a little bit right there. And with those stencils, it would definitely take off your makeup, so you definitely want to make sure that you used, that you did your eye look before your makeup. So like, let's just say you wanted to do some like on the side of your cheek or something, you'd want to do your makeup after, because if you put this down and peel it back up, it's going to peel off your makeup. So I definitely think it turned out good. I maybe need to add a little bit more yellow to the leaf. I hope you enjoyed my 6 fall looks. If you guys would like me to do more looks for fall, like with specific colors or specific styles, definitely comment that down below. Also, if you have any other seasons or holidays that you'd like me to do looks for, definitely comment that down below. And if you have any other video suggestions, please comment them down below. And check the description box for more information about the video, my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.